In this video, we're going to talk about HTML pages. So an HTML page is essentially just a web page, and this is how web pages are made up. So HTML pages contain the content for a website. So that is the bare bones, the information that you want to display. And it's like a skeleton made up of two parts: the head of the HTML page, which has information about what the page contains, and then the body, which is the main content. Now, to make HTML pages stand out from each other, we employ something called CSS, or cascading style sheets. And with this, you can change the look and feel of a page so that the content is displayed in different ways. And we'll learn more about this in later lessons. So the HTML structure, when you look at the actual code of a web page, looks a bit like this. So on the left, we have pieces of text or keywords that are inside less than and greater than symbols. Okay, so these are called tags. And each of these tags highlights to a web browser what piece of the web page is currently being described. So as you can see, I've highlighted in red the head tags, and inside there we've got a title tag, and that will display on your tab in your Chrome browser or your other internet browser the name of the web page. And then underneath it in green, we've got the body of the web page, and we've got content. So that is what physically appears in the big part of your browser, okay, the web page part. And as an example, we've just got a paragraph tag. So this P tag stands for paragraph, and we've got some content inside there. So we've got our basic structure of a web page, and now we want to add some things to it. So we can just start typing text in, but without the tags, the web browser doesn't know what to do with it. It just displays it all in one stream of consciousness. So we have to employ these different types of tags. So here's 3 examples. The first one is the H1 tag, okay, and that makes the text within it display like a heading would in Word. Okay, so the main heading, the biggest part of the web page, a headline. Okay, notice that on the right hand side of the word main heading, we've got a close tag. So this is a / followed by the name of the tag that you're trying to close. And you need these to stop your web page from looking quite strange. We've also got an H2 tag. Now this is the second biggest type of heading. So I'm calling it the subheading. We've actually got 6 different types of headings. So you can have H1, H2, H3, 4, 5, and 6. And they gradually get smaller and smaller until they're very, very small indeed. H4 is about the same size as the paragraph text. So H5 and H6 are only really useful for footers or, small pieces of text that you want inside your rest of your page. As I said in the previous slide, the P tag stands for paragraph, and this is where you put sentences that you just want to display at the default font and size for that page.